regular verbs. Okay, regular verbs are verbs that end in ed. Okay, Ming, verbs that end in ed. Okay, we're not talking about go, went, gone, swim, swam, swum, drink, drank, drunk. Those are called irregular verbs, where the spelling changes. Yes, irregular verbs. Okay, the spelling changes. All right, when it ends in ed, the past tense is ed. They're called regular verbs. All right, for regular verbs, the ed can make one of three sounds. Okay, there are three sounds, and the three sounds are t, d, and id. Okay, id, not ed, id. Okay, id, t, d, and id. Alright. The easiest one to remember is id. Alright, because it's only two letters. T and d. Okay, t and d. Yes. When the last letter, okay, or the last sound of the word is t and d, okay, the ed makes the id sound. Alright, so words like want, hand,
Decide.
yes, decide, hand, yes. Alright. The one you just said is a good example. Okay, here the last letter is T, right? Here the last letter is D. Here the last letter is E. Okay, but it's still id. Alright? Because to make this past tense, what do?
D.
We don't add ed, do we? We just add d, right? Right? And what's the last sound? When you say the word decide, what's the last sound you hear?
D.
You hear the D, you don't hear the E. The E has no sound, right? So it's the D. Okay, here's the T and here's the D, right? For all of these, not just this one, for all of these, it's the sound at the end of the word. Okay? Sometimes the sound and the letter are the same. Sometimes it is not. Okay? Do? Sometimes it is not. I'll show you that right here. Okay? T. Many letters. Okay? Many letters. K, E, F, S, SH, CH, and TCH. Okay? Many letters. Okay? K, P, F, S, SH, CH, TCH. Okay? The ED will sound like T. Okay? So, a verb ending with K. Kick. Yeah,
K-I-C-K.
C-I-K-A. Yes? So, C-I-C-K. The ED will sound like T. Kicked. Kicked. Because the last sound you hear, kick, is a K, right? Stop. Stop. He stopped. So it's stop.
Stopped.
No stopping. Okay, it's stopped.
Stopped.
Okay, because the last sound you hear is the P. Right?
Kiss.
Stopped.
Kiss.
Yes, kiss. Okay, kiss. Last sound here is the S, so it's kissed.
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 Missed the bus too. Missed.
Yes.
Kissed. Missed.
Today I watched TV. Yesterday I
What?
watched
Watched.
TV.
Watched.
TCH. Watched. Okay? So when the last sound you hear in the root word, okay, is k, p, or yes, the ed makes the t sound. Okay? The t sound. I said before, it's the last letter sound, not the last letter spelling, right? What's this word? Laugh. Spelled L-A-U-G-H, right? When you say the word though, what do you hear at the end?
laugh
What sound do you hear? You hear
Laugh.
the F sound, right? F, which is here. Okay? So even though it's spelled L-A-U-G-H, when you say the word, it's laugh.
laugh
And what you hear at the end is the letter F. So it is still
laughed laughed
Okay? Because it's the last letter sound that's important. It's not the spelling. Sometimes the spelling and the sound will be the same. Kick. Sometimes it won't.
ใช่
Okay? So it's always the sound that's important, not the spelling.
อันนี้มีใครเข้าใจไม่เข้าใจไหมกด
Yeah.
กดยังอยู่เหนือกดเนาะ ยังมีอยู่นะคะ
Sound. K.
อ่า
At the end of the word. K. Kick. Stop.
อืม
Kiss.
ไม่ใช่
Fish.
อะไรนะคะ
Yes. Or wash.
kick
ไม่ใช่คิดก็คิด
kick
Yes. Wash. Yes. Wash.
ล้างจานเนาะ wash
Catch.
washed
Catch.
catch
Yes. Okay. When the last letter sound, when the last sound of the word is any of these, then ed, okay, makes this sound t.
เธอ it
T. This one,
a lot many
many of them. Okay. Rather than write all of the letters, it's easier to remember this. If it's not here, and it's not,
not
here,
there the rest of that ed
then it's here.
ใช่
Okay? Rather than try to remember all of the different letters that go with D, just remember that if it's not one of these, and it's not one of these, then it's gotta be this one. Okay? It's easier to remember that way. Okay?
ตอนแรกให้จำกลุ่มไหนก่อนลูกจำกลุ่มของ it
It,
เธอกับ the
okay? So T,
อ่าฮะ
D, and id. Okay? Remember, it's not ed. Even though it's spelled ed, it's not ed, it's id.
it
Okay? As in wanted, decided,
handed
Okay? Yeah? 10. Move on.
ที
Yeah? Say it for me.
เบกเบก
Baked. 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 Now bottom 2. Tap it. Tap it. Tapped. Tapped. Which one?
แค่
Tapped. Correct. Yeah? Because it's T-A-P. Tap. When you say tap, you hear the P. So it's tapped.